This is your sign to not use a VPN when filing your taxes this year. CRA is now cracking down on people using VPNs when filing their taxes. And the reason why is because of non-residency. They want to know if you are a non-resident for Canadian tax purposes, okay? And this is not related to your Canadian citizenship. This is related just for tax purposes. And the number one reason for this is because when you do become a non-resident, there are a lot of tax implications. The number one being, and the most important being, a deemed disposition on all your items, okay? Everything that you own. And it's very important for them to know whether you are a resident or non-resident for Canadian tax purposes. So when you use a VPN, you are essentially saying that you are living outside of Canada because they see that internet connection being out of Canada. Maybe it's another country. Maybe you're in Europe, Asia, Africa, wherever you are. That's what they see, and they think to themselves, oh, this person, if they're connected on an internet signal or Wi-Fi that is in Asia, Africa, Europe, then they're not in Canada, and they probably stopped becoming a non-resident. And then this causes a red flag, and it causes an audit or review. So one of the subscribers to this channel actually mentioned that they're actually dealing with the same issue, okay? They were flagged for using a VPN. They had an agent assigned to their case, and now they're working through it, and it's not an easy fix, okay? So they're also, having trouble figuring out how to fix this with the CRA agent. I don't know exactly how you would even prove or what kind of information they're asking, but it doesn't seem like it's a simple fix like saying, oh, I used a VPN when I filed, okay? So when you're filing your tax return, if you use a VPN, you may also not have your refund. If you're filing a tax return, you're an employee, you generally will have a refund of $1,000 to $2,000, depending on your situation. Maybe you have tuition tax credits, other credits that make you have a bigger refund. If that's the case and you're using a VPN and you get flagged, that's going to pause that refund. You may not get it right away, and that might be detrimental to your situation. So these are things to consider. VPN is one of those things you don't want to use when even signing into your CRA account. So don't just use it when you're filing your tax return. Don't use it at all when you're signing into a CRA account. So if you have a CRA My Login, don't use a VPN. Turn that VPN off. If it's for business, you use it usually for scrolling and security. Turn it off or set that VPN to a Canadian place or in Canada, somewhere in Canada, and you won't have this trouble. So one of the things here, you want to stay away from is getting audited. And we know that if you look at another video that I put up on YouTube regarding how to deal with audits, you don't want to deal with that headache at all. So the number one tip here this tax season is making sure you don't use a VPN when you're filing. If everything else is correct, why would you want to risk getting audited just because you used a VPN? If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, okay? It really gives a lot of motivation and keeps the channel growing. This is general tax information, not personalized tax advice. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I read every single one.